In this video, we will go over all the features in the left gear. The left gear controls the layout and look of the site as a whole. Manage Pages takes us to the Manage page where you can select a page in your site to edit or add a completely new page. One tip when using any feature, you can always move the window up to see all the options. It will sometimes hide if you are using a smaller screen. Next, we have Add Page, which takes you to the Add a New Page page, which is slightly different from the Manage page. On this page, if you select a current page, you will just be copying the page to use as a starting point for your new page. You can also add a brand new blank page as well. For the site layout, you will have a choice between a wide site and a narrow site. The wide site selection is the default, and this will stretch all the sections in your site to the full width of the screen. With the narrow site, you will have white space on the sides of the site. Typically, this is the place where you'd see ad placement. Font style controls the font style of the whole site. The fonts that are in these two boxes will represent the default font for all your pages. So when you add a new element or edit an element, you can either choose between website style or custom for your font. Custom will allow you to change the font of that particular element without changing the fonts on the rest of the site. Menu layout can be accessed in two locations. These options will allow you to select the orientation of the menu and how it will interact with scrolling on the site. And for the page background, you can select a photo, a color, or leave the background transparent. The background will not affect the wide sites as much as it will affect the narrow sites. Scroll effects is where you can choose special effects for the site when the user is scrolling. You can choose from clear, slide, and fade in. Page Apps gives you the option of several pre-selected apps to add directly to your page, and also allows you to put in raw code in order to add other apps that are not part of our Nojello portfolio. And that concludes this video on the left gear button, website style.